another video. So as you can tell by the title, I got a new car. So yeah, so today's video is going to be on a car tour, my new baby. So yes, so welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you're new. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, and make sure y'all follow me on all my social media. It's gonna be down below. I'm gonna get right into this video. My baby is finna get a car wash, cause like she need a car wash. So yeah. This is her with a wash, very clean. So yeah, so welcome to my Honda Civic. This is Sport. So over here it's like where I roll my window down. You should know that if y'all know how to work a car. My unlock and lock button to lock the windows, and then I change my mirror, and then I got my partner, I don't know what you call this, but then this is like the door thing. So in the door I have some sunglasses, and I have a stanchion. That's why I push my trunk open. Then I got the little roll assistance, like tell you like look onto your car, open line, and you know these tools. And then so got my dashboard. So I'm the park. And then it have low tire pressure. I gotta get this. So see what's wrong with that. And when I first got my car, I had only 12 miles, and I got 1,235 miles. Then my car is on full. So this is my steering wheel. Got the little thing, this right here change the song. This like to change it from Bluetooth to Pandora and stuff like that. Then I got my answer hang up button. Next to my top two, like CIVIC button. Then I got cruise control. And it's still out there to drive for. I got my windshield. Then it's a push to start. And I already put the little thing on it. Then this is my radio. I got Bluetooth. I got plug-in. And yeah, and I got an air freshener in here. Then I set up my little tripod thingy or whatever. And I got, well, this little thing, it just sitting out here for decoration for real now because it was supposed to, like my phone's supposed to stood on it. So then I got this hanging necklace up here. The year I was born. Then I got my gifts here. And right here I just got my dip on. Then the air. Right here is my keys. And then cup holder. Then I got another cup holder right there. And another charging thing right there. And then I got lotion, deodorant, Tylenol, hand sanitizer, and a lip gloss. Oh, and I also got a mask in here. And so, like, this is my driver's side. I mean, my passenger side. In my glove compartment, I got my work at, and then I got some wipes, and then like my registration and stuff. Then I got a little corn pouch, and then the rest is air freshener. Okay, so here's my back seat. It's roomy, whatever. And then I got an umbrella, Lysol wipes, and then in the back I got like a little yoga ball thing, and then I got a little tag. Charger, and then I got like the little thing, the little outlet thing. So, oh yeah, and then I got whole brake on here, and then my parking brake, and then this thing is like to for it to change like, or for it to save gas. So now it's on. So. Okay, so I got a little something for my car. I didn't get too much. I didn't go out there. I got no something. So I got a stone, and I got these cookies along with the tag, the little tripod, and the thing for your pictures. I'll show you my comments. My hair is okay today. I don't like it. I really wish I had my comments, but this is the okay. So I'm tempted to get this done So I'm lining it up because I don't really like when this part right here be like everywhere. Let's see. I had already took all my stuff out of the little bag and the little thing. So I got it on. Okay. So I'm gonna pin it on. I'm gonna let that whole thing. So here's the stereo on. Cute. Same. Here's the cup holders. Thing. And yeah. So I hope you guys like this video, and we'll be back with some more videos. So yeah, make sure y'all follow me on all my social media, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I think I already said it. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, this part tour, and how my car looks. And yeah, so I'll be out this thing. So it's a game.
the life when you loving the star, no cap, I'm just taking it harder for the next nigga.